Good morning. Today we will discuss the antenna and wave propagation subject. The unit 2 is antenna array. Array is the form similar form of get the array is nothing but the similar form of greater directivity in a desired direction. The method it is the method to combine the radiation from group of antenna. There are different types of antenna arrays are available. First one is both side array, then end fire array, then parasitic array. This both side array is nothing but both side array used the maximum radiation pattern in the desired two direction, 90 degree and 270 degree. The 0 degree and 190 degrees minimum radiation pattern, that is minor lobe. The major lobe is only for 90 degree and 270 degree. In this both side array is the antenna is fixed. Number of antenna is fixed, different same distance. For example, this diagram here fixed number of antenna in different space. Okay. Next one is end fire array. End fire array is nothing but a linear array. In this linear array, only the radiation pattern is 180 degree. Radiation pattern is 180 degree and 0 degree. The maximum major lobe is 0 degree and 180 degree. These are all the a linear array. Next one is parasitic array. The parasitic array is nothing but the maximum radiation in particular desired direction. Okay. In this based on this array method, can use the array is 2 point sources. Array of 2 points. There are equal amplitude and phase. And second condition, equal amplitude and opposite phase. And then third condition is unequal amplitude and any opposite phase. The first condition, equal amplitude and phase, the maximum radiation pattern is 0 degree. Maximum radiation pattern is 90 degree and 270 degree. In this condition, the radiation pattern is 0 and 180 degrees. Minimum radiation pattern or 0. The second condition, array of 2 point sources with equal amplitude and opposite phase. In this condition, the maximum radiation pattern is 90 degree and 270 degree. This is the array of 2 point sources, equal amplitude and equal phase, then equal amplitude and opposite phase, and equal amplitude any phases. Next one is pattern multiplication. The pattern multiplication of an array of non-isotropic but similar source is the multiplication of individual sources pattern and pattern of array of isotropic point sources located at the phase unique and individual source and have a relative amplitude and phase. In this condition, the total electric field I of theta comma phi is a field pattern of individual source, then alpha is equal to E alpha of theta comma phi, the pattern field pattern of array of isotropic point sources. Then EP theta comma phi is equal to phase pattern of individual source. Second one, third one is EPA of theta comma phi is equal to phase pattern of array of isotropic point sources.